In the summer of 2023, with the help of the Carolina Drone Lab, Sustainable Carolina began documenting the construction of an exciting project. The project gives new life to Horace Williams Airport, which closed to the public in 2018. The airport has quite a history. During World War II, it was one of 4 official U.S. Navy pre-flight training schools. In 1972, it became a home base for UNC medical air operations. And on May 1, 2018, the last airplane took off from Horace Williams Airport. The former airport has become the site for the university's first ground-mounted solar project. The first drone footage taken in 2023 showed the future boundary of the solar panel system. Flash forward a year, and there was a definite work site. Trucks, trailers, and tools filled the area where we stood a year before. Ahead of us, a beautiful sight. 900 solar panels in the ground. On the last day out, a month later, the panels were slowly becoming a part of the landscape. The grass was growing green between the panels, and it felt like this project might be functioning soon. And in December 2024, UNC Energy Services shared great news.
Our solar field is on the final stages of commissioning here.
The system will produce 500,000 kilowatt hours of energy every year. That's the equivalent of 74 gas-powered cars. The energy produced will power buildings along Airport Drive. The panels make good on 2 of the university's energy efficiency strategies. They will reduce the amount of electricity the university will need to purchase. Second, classes can visit the site and see solar generation happening in real time. These 2 things are part of the bigger picture: carbon neutrality at UNC Chapel Hill by 2040.